Today, I am accompanied by Mr. Avnish Bhatnagar, Vice President, Franklin Templeton Asset Management Company.
Thank you, Akshat, and greetings to all the investors of Choice Wealth, and thank you for giving us this opportunity to talk to your investors.
On 23rd April 2020, Franklin decided to close down his 6 debt mutual fund scheme.
I thought, Akshat, you will start with the easy question, but you put a bouncer first.
It's red hot.
Red hot. The best and the simplest and the boring way of making money is actually follow your asset allocation to that. And he says that you have to be fearful
Right.
when others are greedy. And you have to be greedy when others are fearful. And that's where how you will create wealth.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.